What is a plateau? A plateau is actually derived from a French word, and it means table land. So we can define a plateau as an elevated upland that has a fairly level surface, and the sides of that upland descends steeply into the surrounding lowland. So a plateau is simply an elevated upland with a fairly level surface in which the sides of that upland descend steeply into the surrounding lowlands. And plateau are actually referred to as stable lands. So a plateau is different from a mountain in such a way that the top of the plateau is usually what, flat, while the sides are steep in what, in appearance or in nature. As you can see on the screen, we have an example of what a plateau looks like. Here we have a flat surface, and the sides are actually steep down to the surrounding what, lowlands or river we have around that environment. So what are the types of plateaus we have? We basically have the tectonic plateau, we have the intermont or the intermontane plateau, we have the volcanic plateau, and we have the dissected plateau. So we have 4 basic types of what, plateau. So let's look at them one after the other. So we consider the first type of plateau, which is called the tectonic plateau. Now, these plateaus are actually caused by the movement within the Earth's crust, and these movements, they actually cause the land to be uplifted to a uniform height or a uniform what, altitude. And a typical example of a tectonic plateau is the Deccan Plateau in India. Then in parts of Africa, eastern parts of Africa like Kenya, Tanzania, and the rest, we have different tectonic plateaus there. And also in South Africa, we have what, a whole lot of tectonic plateau found around such region. So this is Deccan Plateau in India, and as you can see, the plateau is formed as a result of elevation, or will I say upliftment of the land by the Earth's movement to a considerable altitude or height. So this is how the plateau looks like when you get to India.